So, there is this new trend taking off, pun intended. I'm sure if you've been on social media at any point in the last couple of years, you will have seen videos like this, which is just absolutely mind-boggling. I am of course talking about first-person view or FPV drones. Now I wanted to try and get into this, so back in May last year, I sat down and started trying to research all that I needed to do. I found that while there is definitely a lot of information out there, a lot of it is really technical and hard to decipher unless you're already quite familiar with remote control cars, planes, that sort of thing. So in the end, because of the time restraints that I had before I went traveling, I ended up just buying a Mavic Pro. And I don't regret it at all, I'll make that clear. You know, I've taken it around the world since and used it to capture easily some of my most favourite footage. I really love the unique perspective that a drone can bring to making videos. And besides that, they're also just like really fun to use, albeit a little bit financially nerve-wracking to begin with. So I was really happy with that, but in the back of my mind, I was always thinking at some point when I have the time, I'd like to try building my own drone. Fast forward to this April.
Dès demain, midi.
You must stay at home.
And suddenly I had a lot of time on my hands, so I got to work. Now that little cinematic montage may have looked pretty straightforward, but in reality it was like 2 weeks of research and buying everything online, another week of waiting for all the parcels to arrive, and then like 2 full days of building and testing it. After which, of course, you know, I had to actually go outside and fly it.
Can I stand this close?
Don't know if you want to. Oh.
Bye!
Is it coming back towards us or not? I can't tell. Oh,
So the propeller, the motor was just spinning around, but the propeller I think wasn't actually doing anything.
Can I have a shot? My turn, my turn. Come on, give us a shot.
honestly, Fiona.
Josh, Josh.
Stop it. I can't believe you bullied me into letting you do this. So I just want to interject here and say that while I'd had a lot of practice on the simulator and obviously flying my other drone, my girlfriend hadn't done anything of the sort before. So letting her fly it was a really, really dumb idea and it could have ended up very badly. Regardless, let's roll the footage. Just please. No, 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 bring it down, please. Please. Slowly, Fiona, the other way. Bring it down. Bring it down slowly. Fiona!
Sorry, help.
Slowly. Slowly.
Help, help.
I can't help you. Stop it. No. Small adjustments. Okay, just land it gently. Now hit the switch. Yes!
That was so stressful. Is it my go again yet?
No. Man and best friend. Did that go? Why are you like to put it up that high?
Because it's my thing and I filmed it. Ready?
High as you can.
As high as I can.
Go on. Okay, so we have a question in from Facebook from Daryl. Does this get boring? Yes, Daryl, it gets boring. I'm bored out my tip.
So what's next? Well, I'm really excited about this whole new world that's just opened up out there. And fingers crossed, in the next few months, even as the temperatures drop, I can still keep practicing and trying to improve. And while I might not be doing anything crazy like diving buildings or surfing around mountains or anything like that just yet, I hope that you guys will follow along anyway and keep up with my progress.
And what made you choose this colour scheme?
It was what was cheapest online.